How can you fix the no content available on your photo widgets in the iOS 17 update? Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so let's jump right into it. First, of course, we open your settings. From settings, tap on your Apple ID or your name in the top. Now tap on iCloud and then tap on Photos. In Photos, make sure to turn on this toggle right here. It must be turned on, so once you turn it on, quit from there and go back to the main screen of your settings, the first page that you see right here, and then scroll down and tap on General. From your General settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Shut Down. Do the slide right here in the top to completely shut down your phone, and then after that, turn it on and do the lock screen, and then go to the app menu again. Once you are here, tap and hold on an empty space and tap on Add in the top left corner. In the search box right here, search for Photos, tap on Photos, and you can now add photos to your widgets. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.